At Buzzy, gardening is more than just planting seeds. It's about growing joy, curiosity, and connection. For nearly 30 years, we've been crafting grow kits that turn anyone into a gardener. From fresh herbs to vibrant veggies and beautiful blooms, we make it simple and fun, no green thumb needed. But it's more than that. When kids grow plants, they're learning more than how to garden. They're building confidence, sparking curiosity, and nurturing responsibility, becoming tomorrow's champions for a sustainable world. And gardening, it's a way to connect with nature, with each other, and with our planet. Together, we're growing a shared sense of care for the world around us. At Buzzy, we're proud to source 100% natural, non-GMO seeds from trusted family farms. And with our Grow Guarantee, you can grow with confidence. If your seeds don't sprout, we'll replace them for free. So, let's bloom boldly together. Buzzy, planting positivity one seed at a time.